how to enable highlights on your Trello board. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I will show you how you guys can have highlights turned on in your Trello board. So guys, firstly I want you guys to sign in into Trello and then open up a board, and then as soon as you have a board opened up, now I want you guys to click on power up from the right side, and then as soon as you guys click on that, click on add power ups, and now that is gonna take you guys over here. So this is the portion where Trello has these amazing power ups that you guys can use. So type in over here highlights. So as soon as you type in highlight over here, choose the first option. So the first one is the data highlighter. Simply add this into Trello, and you guys will be able to turn your cards over into very nice looking highlighted cards. So like over here, as you guys can see that you have your data highlighted. So guys, using this particular tool, you guys can highlight your cards over on your Trello board. So now if I were to come back, if I were to open up any card, now I can just simply essentially highlight any particular text that I want over here, and I can just simply have it highlighted over on my Trello board. So over here you guys can see that we have the data highlighter. Now I can from over here just simply put in any highlighted thing that I want over here. So of course you guys will have to buy a license for it, but you guys can highlight your data using this particular tool. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.